Welcome to Iloilo Business Park. We will show you the exciting things to offer in this 72-hectare township property by Megaworld Corporation. First up, Iloilo Business Park McDonald's. This is the biggest McDonald's branch in the island of Panay and can accommodate more than 100 customers. Festive Walk Mall. The most anticipated lifestyle mall to open in Iloilo, complete with 7 world-class cinemas, high-end retail stores and bistros, indoor garden, dog park, and a chapel. Richmond Hotel Iloilo. This 12-story world-class hotel has stunning interior design with the best to offer Filipino favorite, their special ensaymada. Iloilo Convention Center. Inspired from the Parao sales of the Ilonggos, this 3,500-seater convention arena is the perfect place to hold local and international events. Courtyard by Marriott Hotel. The first ever international brand hotel is now open to give world-class hotel service to Ilonggos with 326 special rooms for their guests. Boutique Hotel and Commercial District. The rising business and commercial hub in Iloilo is complete with 60 prime lots in 10 blocks, ready to be occupied by upscale offices and towers. BPO and IT Park. The major BPO towers like 1 Techno Place, 2 Techno Place, and 3 Techno Place, together with 1 Global Center and 2 Global Center, have given opportunities to 30,000 employees with state-of-the-art facilities and IT brands. Festive Walk Parade. The longest shop and dine strip in Iloilo is aesthetically perfect for the food lovers and Instagram bloggers. This 1.1-kilometer chain of bistros and shops is your go-to place with the newly opened Museum of Contemporary Arts, the first ever modern art gallery in the city. Festive Walk Mall Annex. More commercial establishments will soon open in this area with a walk-through bridge connecting from the mall. 1 Madison Place. This 3-tower residential cluster with 10 floors started its turnover this year with complete amenities such as pool deck, playground, and function rooms. Lafayette Park Square. This 16-story condominium tower is perfect for the sophisticated residents who love European design and architecture. The Palladium. The tallest residential tower in Western Visayas is finally here with 22 stories and having 4 sky gardens, another first in Iloilo. San Honore. The Paris-inspired condominium is now here to captivate the Ilonggos with its 10-story residences, perfect for the lovers. Saint Dominique. Another Parisian-type residential tower that will bring the city of Paris in the heart of Iloilo City, complete with 10 stories and upscale amenities. Live in the most exciting township. Iloilo Business Park.